Hi everyone, welcome back to Guido. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display on the Huawei Nova 3i mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover just until the paste adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heat gun. Carefully work on the edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic carpet tool and gently cut the adhesive. While taking out the back cover, be gentle, the Touch ID sensor is attached to the back cover. To unplug the Touch ID, move the back cover to the left hand side and remove the bracket by undoing 2 screws. Unplug the connector and remove the back cover. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, remove the board frame by undoing screws. Undo 8 screws and lift the frame using a pry tool. Next, disconnect the LCD connector. Next, test and verify the functionality on the new screen by connecting plugs. Once the testing has passed, disconnect the new screen, battery and main flex plugs. Next, remove parts from the broken screen frame. First, apply heat to soften the battery's adhesive, and then use a plastic cup pry tool to create an opening. Once there is some space, use a pry tool to lift the battery. Next, pull out the logic board by disconnecting the antenna head. Next, take out the earpiece from the frame. Next, undo 6 screws for taking out the secondary speaker cover. Next, disconnect the other half of the main flex. Next, gently move the antenna and pull out the charging port board from the body. Next, take out the vibrator motor. The new replacement part we are using is with the frame, which is easier and faster for the replacement. Next, start placing parts on the new screen frame. First, place the vibrator motor. Next, place the antenna and secure the charging port board in the body. Next, connect the bottom end of the main flex to the charging port board. Next, secure the speaker cover by adding 6 screws. Next, place earpiece. Next, place the logic board and secure the SIM tray and the antenna head. Next, place the battery. Next, secure the board's main flex, LCD flex and battery connector. Next, place the board frame by securing 8 screws. Next, secure the fingerprint plug and place the bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, place the main back cover by adding B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Huawei Nova 3i mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.